Hello developers, in this video I am going to solve a new Android Studio warning. After the Android Studio updation, when I try to run the app, I am getting this warning. The currently installed emulator is no longer supported by this version of Android Studio. Please update the emulator to version 35.6.11 or later. Okay, first let me check which version of Android Studio I am using. Go to About Android Studio from menu options. I am using Android Studio Narwhal 4 Feature Drop, which is the latest version. So, in this version of Android Studio, all these virtual emulators created from the previous version are showing the same warning. And I am not able to run the app on the emulator. In this case, we need to update the Android emulator version. So, to update the emulator, click on the OK here. Or if you want to know the supported emulator version for your Android Studio, then go to Settings on the top right corner, click on the SDK Manager, go to SDK Tools. Here you can find the Android emulator update. The current emulator version I am using is 35.4.9 and the latest version is 36.2.12. So you can update the emulator version from this SDK Tools or from this warning. Just click on OK here. It started installing the Android emulator version 36.2.12. Wait here till it downloads and installs all the emulator components. OK, done. Click on Finish. Now run the app on emulator. Go to Running Devices window. Yes, the emulator is launched. Now run the app once again. Yes, the app is opened successfully on the emulator. Hope you could update the Android emulator by watching this video. If yes, please like the video and subscribe to iReka Tech Solutions. Thank you.